Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Homelink on your Tesla Model 3. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely outside the garage, with a clear line of sight to the device you wish to program. This process connects your car to your home's access systems, making daily entry and exit much smoother. It's a simple setup that adds great convenience to your driving experience. To begin programming, navigate to the Homelink icon on your Tesla's touchscreen. Select Add New Device and choose the type of device you're connecting, such as a garage door. Then, hold your original remote control 2 to 5 inches from the front bumper, near the passenger headlight, and press its button until the car learns the signal. If your garage door opener uses a rolling code, you'll need to train its receiver. Locate the Learn or Smart button on your garage door opener motor unit, usually near the antenna. Press it once, then quickly return to your Model 3. Within 30 seconds, press the Homelink button on your car's screen 3 times. After completing these steps, test your newly programmed Homelink button to ensure it operates your garage door or gate correctly. If it doesn't work immediately, try repeating the programming steps, paying close attention to the remote's distance from the bumper. For any persistent issues, Tesla support can provide further assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.